tower, C tower, fucking hill tower.
Wait up, wait up.
Can you see him?
Hang on, I got audio. Vehicle audio. Got him. Neg.
Fuck me. Nah, still you can't.
Is he coming back out or what?
No, he's sitting on top of the barracks at the moment.
My IP address. It doesn't come up with a GUID search, but you
Oh
search
yeah,
for
because
his IP.
he when you banned him.
I didn't ban it. It was two.
That guy's so laggy for me. And you know if you leave him too, he's gonna come up and shoot you.
My thought was he just couldn't aim for shit, but then I did just shoot someone with a lynx, saw the blood spray, and he didn't go down. Alright, whoever that is, you're standing still. Oh, okay.
That makes sense. Because I fucking railed him today. It's a mine on the back of the bus.
Bambi, Bambi. Oh, that guy. How did he survive that? So far side from you. I'll be able to get him from here.
Oh, that was just mean.
Oh! Oh no, I took a hit.
ID on my body.
Balthazar, that guy's shooting at me. Looks like he's about to push you.
Damn it, he got me.
Yeah, well,
It's alright, got him. Oh, and someone got me.